Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Windermere services listing detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Windermere services listing, begin by logging into your Windermere account. Locate the My Listings section on your dashboard. Select the listing you wish to cancel. Click on the Edit option for that listing. Scroll down to find the Status section. Choose the Cancel Listing option from the drop-down menu. You may be prompted to provide a reason for the cancellation. Fill in the required information if prompted. Review all the details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save Changes button. After saving, your listing status should now reflect that it has been cancelled. You will receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Windermere support for assistance. Always keep a record of the cancellation confirmation for your reference. This process ensures that your listing is officially removed from the market. Keep in mind that cancellation policies may vary based on your specific agreement. It's recommended to consult the terms of your listing agreement if needed. Follow up to ensure there are no further obligations regarding the canceled listing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.